So the C series, it's compact form. It's based on a netbook size, so it's very compact and relatively lightweight and portable. The screen rotates, so the beauty of it is it can work as a very conventional, almost netbook laptop style configuration. However, the screen then is on a very clever rotating hinge. So the screen can then be turned around, reversed and clipped down, which then in effect makes the device a pure 10-inch tablet. We then worked with the advice of various police forces who tried stuff and gave us feedback. And to cut to the chase, we then upscaled a lot of the components in that device. So kept the casing, kept the same size, kept the ruggedness, but then did things like integrated 3G mobile broadband modems, higher definition screen, solid state hard drive, longer life battery. And then more recently we've also now integrated a whole range of special docking plugs that work with our in-vehicle docking solution. We are small enough to be very accessible and very agile. So we can do custom builds, we can react to market trends very, very quickly and be very innovative. We've developed now with Vauxhall a whole range of in-vehicle solutions. So again, put simply, TETRAtab can supply the computers, the kit of parts, the vehicle installation kits, the cabling, the antennas, the screens, the keyboards. And then Vauxhall can then offer those as optional fitted extras onto police vehicles. So a typical police customer would in effect order 30 or 40 Vauxhall Astras, and on the options list, apart from ticking the box for blue lights and sirens and airwave radios, they can now tick options for TETRAtab in-vehicle mobile data. Having developed this originally, we thought for the blue light services, primarily the police. We then started to sell numbers into fire and rescue services and utilities. But since we've been working with Vodafone, of course their sales force isn't just blue light focused. And we've just recently signed contracts with one company, for instance, have just bought 150 units, which they're using with their mobile engineers. So this company's got 150 frontline engineers who work basically from home right across the UK. They all have a big transit van full of spare parts, and they mend and service heavy goods trucks. So this company has then seen the ruggedness of our device and the robustness of it. They've loaded their own software on with a partner software company, and then allocated 150 units. So these guys log on from home in the morning, log on over 3G broadband using our tablet, get the day's work, go and mend lorries all day, touch screen on get signatures of the invoice, update stock levels, etc., etc. So what's really great now is that we can see that having developed this rugged device for frontline cops, it's clearly rugged enough and a fantastic device for mobile engineers. We're talking to utilities, housing associations, plumbers, joiners, carpenters, removal companies, etc., etc. So the point being now, it's now become a frontline workforce rugged tablet.